So guys, nandito tayo ngayon kasama. So, naawa ako sa kanya. Gamit yung jacket. Nahiga siya dito. So, huhubarin ko ang aking jacket. Ayan, may badge. Dala-dala ko pa yung badge ko. So, tanggalin natin to. Hubarin natin. Uuwi ako guys na si kawawa naman, oy. Sandali.
Hi, do you have a family? I'm going back 20 years. What? Yeah, they're much worse. Where are they? Oklahoma. So you're from Oklahoma? You wanna go to the ER, the hospital? No, I'm okay. They're gonna do eye surgery, not important. Okay, can I give you the jacket? Yeah. Okay, can you stand up? I'll give it to you. Okay. Oh, that's so warm. Thank you. Okay. Okay. This one, zip, this one, zip it, okay? Zip it, zip.
So, guys, may jacket na siya.
Here we go.
Okay, and lock it too. The zipper.
Okay, thank you.
No, that one. Can you check the pocket? Check the other side.
Okay.
Nothing there?
Nothing there. All empty.
Okay, so,
There we go.
alright. So make sure to cover yourself.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Sorry, I don't have anything right now, but all I can give you is my jacket.
Thank you so much.
Alright, my name is Gabby, and what's your name?
Angie,
Angie. Okay, nice meeting
nice
you.
to
Okay.
meet you.
Take care. You stay out in here. It's okay. Go here.
I know.
Can you go somewhere?
Yeah, I go to the working center at night, but it's supposed to like my apartment and it's steam, and I'm just waiting on it.
Where's your apartment?
It's wrecked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you warm now?
Yes, much
Okay.
warmer. Thank
Okay, I'm
you.
gonna go fast because I'm cold.
Okay.
Alright, you take care and have a great day,
you
okay?
too. You too. Thank you.
Wawa no? Guys, ito, uuwi ako na malamig pero at least may matirahan man ako, no? So, grabe, nilamig ako. Tiniis ko yung lamig kasi binigay ko ang aking jacket sa homeless na nakita ko sa daan. Pero kaya ko to. Malapit naman ako eh.